Hello, my name is Travis and I'm with Zinsto. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up a free VPN server at home that'll allow you to access your home network from anywhere. Why would this be useful? Let's say you're traveling and you want to connect to your computer at home, or you want to secure your network connection while you're using public Wi-Fi. This will allow you to connect your device to your home network and over the internet using a secure VPN tunnel. All we need is a computer that can remain online all the time and the VPN package Soft Ether, which you can get from softether.org. Okay, so here's my Windows 10 computer on my home network. I'm going to go to softether.org, go to download, and download Softether VPN. We're going to click the primary download server. We're going to select the Softether VPN server component, and we want this for Windows, and we'll click on the first link to download it. I've already gone ahead and downloaded it, so we're just going to run this package. We're going to click Next. We want the Softether VPN server. We're going to agree to the license agreement. Alright, and we're going to start the VPN server manager. We should have a VPN server created, so we'll click on Connect. And now we're going to create an admin password for this VPN server. We're going to select Remote Access VPN Server. And I'm going to call this Home Network. So Softether has a dynamic DNS function built right into it. So it takes your public IP address that is assigned via DHCP and it assigns it a DNS hostname. So it randomly generates this VPN string, but you could set it to something custom if you want to. I'm going to leave it as is for this demo. In order to connect, let's say, a Android or iOS device to our VPN, we need to enable L2TP over IPsec. Down here we need to create a pre-shared key for our IPsec VPN. I'm going to use password 1, but I would highly recommend picking something a lot more secure for production. Since this is just a test, I'm just going to use password 1. And then this is the big feature that we want. So we're going to enable VPN Azure, and as you can see, it gave us our randomly generated VPN string. We can change it again here if we want to, but for demo purposes, I'm just going to hit OK. So now we need to create users that can connect to our VPN. So I'm going to create a user and a password. We want to make sure that password authentication is enabled and hit OK. Now if we want to create some additional users who we want to have access to this VPN, we can, but since it's just me, one's enough. And now we need to bridge the connection. And since I'm on a virtual machine, I already enabled promiscuous mode, which enables MAC address spoofing, so I don't have to worry about this. Alright, now we just got one more thing to do. We need to manage our virtual hub, and we need to go to virtual NAT and virtual DHCP server secure NAT. We need to enable secure NAT. We'll hit OK here, and we'll hit exit. Alright, now it's time to set up our local computer to use the VPN. So I'm going to just put this off to the side so I have our VPN address, and I'm going to open up Control Panel, And I'm going to go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, and we are going to set up a new connection or network. We want to connect to a workplace, and we're going to do it over a VPN. And so now I'm going to type in the VPN Azure host name. And I'm going to name the VPN connection, so I'm just going to call it Home Network. And remember, my credentials is fine, so we're going to click Create. Since we no longer need our VPN server, I'm just going to close that, and we don't need our control panel. So just to show you how this works, I'm going to type in ipconfig, and I'm going to show you that I am not connected to the VPN. I am connected locally. I have my Android hotspot enabled, so I'm going to go ahead and connect to that now. This is just simulating being somewhere not at home. So like, let's say I'm at a client site or maybe an airport. So now I'm connected to my Android hotspot. You can see I have a different IPv4 address and there's no VPN connection. So we'll go back over here. Here's our VPN that we created, and we're going to click on connect, and it's going to ask for our sign in. It's going to take a few seconds to connect. Alright, and we're connected, and we can verify this by going back here and typing ipconfig. And you'll see up here at the top that we have a 192.168.30.10 address. And we have a 192.168.43.151, which is my Android hotspot. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a web browser, and I'm going to connect to my Meraki device to show you that I am connected to my local network. And now if I go to google.com, it's going to run just a little bit slower because it is a cellular connection. I'm going to type in, what is my IP address? And you can see that the first two octets are the same as what was shown in the VPN server as my external IP. So this is showing you that all traffic is now routing through my home internet connection. So this is great to browse the web securely from your home network when you're away, and keeps other network operators from seeing your traffic. Everything is all being encrypted, and it's heading out your VPN server back at home. If you liked this tutorial, give a thumbs up. If you didn't, let us know in the comments. What would you do different? What would you like to see? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.